Hi, this is Claudia with Health and Fitness Trailblazer. Today I have a video to show you 3 simple exercises you can do actually sitting in your chair, and they're really good exercises for your arms and your legs. So be sure and watch all the way through. I do a demonstration of each simple exercise, so watch till the end. And thank you for watching. The first exercise is called seated marching. And basically all you do is put your feet flat on the floor and raise one leg up at a time towards your chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very simple exercise to do, and you can increase as tolerated. And the benefit you get from that is it increases the circulation to your lower extremities and also works your hip joints and your thigh muscles. The second exercise I have is called seated arm circles. And basically you just raise your arms up to shoulder height and you would do small circles forward and then backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you do as many as tolerated, and that works these muscles right here and all your shoulder back in through here, and it helps the posture. And the third exercise I have is seated raised heels. You keep your feet on the floor and you just raise your heels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that works your calves. It builds up muscles in your calves and also helps with foot pain and cramps.